Welcome to Cooking with Jimmy. Today we're going to go ahead and do the review on the Hexclad pan. So, with that being said, you can see the hexagonal crystals on both sides. Which means if I put this on a high flame, this should be ready to cook your steak within a matter of seconds. We're going to test that theory today, alright? Also, another key point about this is the handle. You should be able to just grab it off of not the flame, but after you've cooked. So I can even put this in the oven, grab the handle, and I shouldn't burn myself. We'll test that theory, okay? But I'm just not going to put it in the oven today. We're going to take it off from the heat, and we'll see if that works, all right? Now, I have 2 seasoned New York steaks. I haven't done a video about New York steaks yet, so we'll go ahead and come with that today. Also, I used 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and then we used black pepper, 1 tablespoon, Montreal steak seasoning, 1 tablespoon. Let's go ahead and get into it and see how the Hexclad MasterChef pan works. Alright everybody, so here we have the MasterChef Hexclad pan. Now, it's only been on here for about a minute. So let's see what we're working with. It says it gets super hot, super fast. Let's put the first New York strip down and see what we're working with. Oh man. What? You're kidding me. Okay. Let's get it. I only had this on here for about 2 minutes, and we're going to take a look at what we're working with. Oh boy, that's what we're talking about. You see that coat right there? That's what you want. Flip this bad boy over, and it's the same on both sides. This is probably one of the fastest sears I've ever done. Literally 1 minute to 2 minutes. And it already has that nice coat that I always like, okay? So, let's go for it. We'll put our butter in. Boom. I'm not shy with the butter. And this is real butter. Don't use that fake stuff. Alright. Rosemary, fresh from the garden. Alright, it's been about a minute. All the butter is melted. The rosemary's in there. We're good. We're going to start our basting. So what you want to do is tilt right there and continue to baste, okay? You will be doing that repeatedly. Alright, we're going to tilt it again. One more quick baste. I've already done this several times while the camera was off. So, total cook time on this is 3.5 minutes. Let's leave it. We're going to turn this off. And we will be taking this off. 1, 2. Okay. Rosemary. Rosemary. There you go. Those look beautiful. Okay. And it's not hot at all. I can hold it like this all day long. Honestly, I really like this pan. We'll save these juices. Alright everybody, so now I'm going to go ahead and see what we are working with. And this is with the MasterChef Hexclad pan. Alright, let's go ahead and start with the one that has the least amount of dry rub on it. I'm going to go straight down the center. 1 swipe is all we like, okay? And that's a medium. I like it, okay? Here we go. 1 swipe is what we like. Boom. Oh. We got a medium. Okay, so that's how I like my steak. And here's the thing. For my first time cooking with a Hexclad pan, that's a really good medium, okay? I say it's about 130, 38 to 142. I eyeball everything. Okay, I don't use recipe cards. Alright, so my honest review of the Hexclad pan with everything that features. The hexagon crystals, in seconds, literally, this was ready to cook that steak, okay? This is probably by far one of my favorite pans, okay? 9.5 out of 10. I just can't give everything a 10. That's just not how I roll. But if you're looking to buy a quality pan, it's about $200. If you want the cover for it, about $250 after taxes. You can't go wrong. Spend the money, have a pan that's going to last you for a very long time. All right, guys, have a wonderful day, and you're cooking with Jimmy.